Hello, I'm the investing Putz. Thought I would reintroduce myself. The channel's been doing pretty well lately, up to about 120 subscribers as the time of this video, which is great. Just to kind of introduce myself again, reintroduce myself. I'm a middle-aged guy. Actually, my day job, I'm a geophysicist, and I work in seismic processing. So I process multi-dimensional data sets on a daily basis, so it kind of gives me an analytical view of the world, analytical view of trading. The question is, do I know what I'm doing in the world of trading? I'd say the answer is not really. Getting better. Just to give a chronology, I think I started about 3 years ago. I've been investing for 25 years, though I had a layoff of about 15 years in between where I basically just let other people manage my money. But I started up about a few years ago, kind of after I sold a company. Had more time on my hands. I started with thinking maybe I could predict the stock market. So I had indicators. I was thousands of indicators, and I was doing back testing to see which indicators could kind of predict the stock market. And you'll find if you scan over 5,000 indicators, you'll find a few indicators that actually will predict in a back test will have a 75% success rate in predicting the daily move. When you try to trade them, and they're probably no good. So anyway, I moved away from that, and I kind of got into options. I started in options by trying to follow more or less the tasty trade world. I couldn't and wouldn't trade naked strangles in my Robinhood account. So I messed around with iron condors for a while and really had no consistent luck. And I took $4,000 down to $3,000 or something like that. I sold a house about a year ago and had some extra money that I could finally move in. It wasn't tied up in retirement, and I could move into. I've got a Robinhood account, and I have a TD Ameritrade account, and I've been trading options on those. Been trading the poor man's covered call for the most part for really about a year now. I do like the poor man's covered call as kind of an alternative to owning stock, but I've done a lot of analysis on it, and that's probably why most people come to the channel currently is for poor man's covered call information. But that's not all I'm thinking about. And actually, I'm kind of moving away from the poor man's covered call in the short term, thinking more about other methods of perhaps gaining an edge. So anyway, I'd say the value of the channel, it's not in that I have a track record as a successful options trader. It's more maybe my thought process as I try to dig deeper and analyze some of these option strategies. It may resonate with you. You may find some insights that are useful. I don't really make any predictions, and I don't give any hot trade tips, so I don't really have to give a disclaimer. So this is not investing advice. This is just me presenting my kind of research results, I guess you could say. Though I do try to show both good and bad trades, successful and unsuccessful strategies when they happen. So anyway, kind of blathering on a bit, but I'm happy the channel's been taken off, and it's been fun hearing from a lot of you, and I look forward to making more videos in the future and as the journey continues. So take care.